Introduce highlight features or overview summary of OMTech 15x15 inches auto heat press machine for t-shirts. There are features include true hands-free pressing, press, set, and step away. OMTech's smart heat press machine automatically adapts to materials up to 2.4 inches thick, applies steady pressure, and lifts itself when done so you can focus on creating, not operating. Fast heat up, flawless results. Get to work in just minutes as it heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The 15x15 in dual-tube heated platen delivers even heat across the entire surface, ensuring smooth, professional transfers with no cold spots or uneven edges. Precision laser alignment. Built-in laser guidance helps you position designs with accuracy before pressing, making it easy to align graphics on t-shirts, tote bags, and other blanks while reducing costly placement errors. Enhanced safety and smart protection. The pull-out drawer keeps your hands safely away from the heating area during operation. Combined with auto shut-off after 10 minutes of inactivity, this heat press is built for safer daily use in home or studio setups. Made for creative freedom. From custom apparel to personalized gifts, this machine helps you bring ideas to life with ease. Whether you're crafting for fun or fulfilling small batch orders, this t-shirt press machine keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.